Number 1. Introducing the 1956 Chevrolet Pickup, a classic vintage truck that captures the essence of American automotive history. Powered by a 235 inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed column-shift manual transmission, this truck runs, drives, and stops as it should. It features a solid short bed, adding to its timeless appeal, though it requires some repairs to the cab corners. With a clean Arizona title, this pickup is ready for a restoration project or trade towards a running and driving C3 model. Whether you're a collector or a project enthusiast, this truck offers an excellent opportunity to own a piece of history. Priced at $10,000, with the location currently unknown, this Chevrolet pickup is a must-see for any classic truck lover. For more details, follow the link in the description. Number 2. Presenting the 1961 Ford Thunderbird, a stunning example of mid-century American craftsmanship and innovation. This factory lowrider showcases a unique design with hidden door handles and a sharp red interior that exudes style and sophistication. Under the hood, a rebuilt 390 engine paired with an automatic transmission ensures smooth and reliable performance. The car also boasts new tires and a solid, rust-free frame, making it ready to hit the road for new adventures. With its timeless appeal and great driving condition, this Thunderbird is priced at $9,500 and located in Windsor, Wisconsin. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Number 3. Discover the 1970 Sunbeam Alpine GT, a rare and charming British classic that offers both elegance and potential. After being stored in a barn for nearly 40 years, this coupe is a project car that requires work on its engine, brakes, exhaust, and suspension to restore it to its former glory. It features a 1,725 cubic centimeters twin carburetor engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Despite needing mechanical attention, the exterior and interior are in good shape, with seats that remain in excellent condition. Priced at $6,000 and located in Delano, Minnesota, this Sunbeam Alpine GT is a wonderful project for enthusiasts who appreciate British automotive heritage. For further information, make sure to check the link in the description. Number 4. Step into the world of classic muscle cars with the 1970 Ford Ranchero, a unique blend of performance and utility. This vehicle is equipped with a 351 Cleveland 2V engine and AC4 automatic transmission, enhanced by a Holley Sniper fuel injection system and electronic ignition for improved performance. It has undergone significant upgrades, including new brakes, fuel system components, and window seals, making it a reliable and exciting classic. With a clean title and numerous new parts, this Ranchero is a fantastic find for collectors or enthusiasts. Priced at $9,995 and located in Orcutt, California, this vehicle is ready to become the centerpiece of any classic car collection. For more details, visit the link in the description. Number 5. Introducing the 1972 Ford Maverick, a vintage gem that's waiting to be brought back to life. This car features a manual transmission, often referred to as the rare 3 on the tree, and has 70,000 miles on the odometer. Recent updates include a new clutch and brake drum, ensuring it retains its originality while preparing for a revival. Though it requires some attention to reach its full potential, this Maverick is a solid starting point for restoration enthusiasts. Priced at just $2,000 and located in North Portland, Oregon, it's an affordable opportunity to own and restore a piece of automotive history. For more details, follow the link in the description. Number 6. Introducing the 1973 Mercury Comet, a project car with great potential for restoration enthusiasts. Powered by a 200 CI inline-six engine, this Comet features a clean title and minimal exterior damage, making it an excellent candidate for a rewarding project. While the engine is currently locked up, the vehicle's solid foundation offers plenty of possibilities for bringing it back to life. Priced at $2,000, this Mercury Comet is ready to find a new owner who appreciates its classic charm and is willing to invest in its restoration. The exact location is unknown, so be sure to follow the link in the description for further details. Number 7. Presenting the 1952 Dodge Coronet Diplomat, a rare and elegant two-door hardtop that is nearly complete and waiting for its next chapter. This car features a 6-cylinder engine that starts and turns over, but will require some carburetor work to run smoothly. Its clean interior and solid exterior provide a great starting point for restoration. As a true collector's item, this Coronet is a must-have for anyone looking to restore a piece of automotive history. Priced at $2,500 and located in Brighton, Colorado, this Dodge Coronet offers timeless elegance and restoration potential. For more details, visit the link in the description. Number 8. Uncover the potential of the 1977 Ford Mustang Fastback, a classic project car that has been stored undercover for 20 years. While the motor is currently missing, this Mustang boasts a solid body, clean interior, and a rust-free condition, making it a promising candidate for restoration. The car includes its original rims and extra parts, adding value and versatility to the project. Priced at $3,000 and located in Puyallup, Washington, this Mustang is ready for an enthusiast to restore its legacy and bring it back to the road. Be sure to check the link in the description for further details. Number 9. Here is the 1967 International Step-Side Pickup, a classic vehicle originally used as a Bell telephone truck. This pickup features an inline-six engine with impressive torque, minimal rust, and several recent mechanical updates, including new brakes, new tires, and a rebuilt starter motor. Its unique history and solid condition make it an ideal restoration project for enthusiasts. Priced at $4,500 and located in Beaver Creek, Oregon, this step-side pickup offers classic charm and great potential for someone looking to bring a piece of history back to life. For more information, follow the link in the description. Number 10. Introducing the 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle, a classic car with just 34,252 original miles that has been carefully maintained and recently serviced. This Beetle runs and drives great, thanks to updates like a rebuilt carburetor, new fuel system components, and an aftermarket stereo with Bluetooth compatibility. With a clean Arizona title and excellent maintenance history, this Super Beetle is an excellent find for both collectors and everyday drivers. Priced at $5,000 and located in Kingman, Arizona, this Beetle combines reliability and charm in a timeless design. For further details, make sure to visit the link in the description. Number 11. Introducing the 1974 Plymouth Valiant, a classic sedan that combines vintage charm with practicality. Featuring a green exterior and automatic transmission, this vehicle is powered by a reliable gas engine and has a clean title. With 67,181 miles on the odometer, this Valiant is already in great running condition and has undergone several part upgrades, making it a perfect base for further customization or preservation. This car is ideal for enthusiasts who want a vintage ride with the potential for personal touches while maintaining its timeless appeal. Priced at $6,000, with the location currently unknown, this is a wonderful opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Be sure to check out the link for more details. Number 12. Introducing the 1977 Ford F-250 Ranger, a bold and timeless long-bed pickup truck. With its striking yellow exterior, this rear-wheel drive classic features a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and clean title status. While the specific mileage is not listed, the truck is described as being in good condition, showcasing its durability and utility. Whether you're a collector or a vintage truck enthusiast, this F-250 Ranger offers the perfect combination of rugged design and classic charm. Priced at $6,500 and located in Oxnard, California, this truck is ready for its next adventure or restoration journey. For further details, follow the link in the description. Number 13. Introducing the 1964 Ford Fairlane 500, a stunning classic coupe with a striking blue exterior that exudes vintage style. This rear-wheel drive vehicle is powered by a V8 engine and features an automatic transmission with clean title status. With the odometer reading over 1 million miles, this car represents a true passion project for any dedicated classic car enthusiast. Although the wheels shown in the photos have been sold, rollers are included, ensuring the car is ready to move. Priced at $7,500 and located in Pahrump, Nevada, this Fairlane offers immense potential for restoration and personalization. For additional details about this timeless beauty, follow the link provided. Number 14. Introducing the 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook, a sleek and stylish sedan that captures the essence of classic automotive design. Sporting a gray exterior and a manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder gas engine and has a clean title. With 75,046 miles on the odometer, it features several modern upgrades, including new tires, brakes, a heater core, and a radiator, all wired for a 12-volt system. This Cranbrook is ready for its next chapter, whether driven as is or restored to its full vintage glory. Priced at $8,000 and located in Vancouver, Washington, it's a fantastic opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. For more information, be sure to check out the link in the description. Number 15. Introducing the 1960 Jeep Willys Wagon, a rugged and versatile vintage vehicle with a unique character. With its green exterior and clean title status, this 4x4 classic is powered by a Chevrolet 305 engine, paired with a 700 R4 transmission and transfer case. It boasts several custom features, including a spring-over conversion and a 22-gallon custom fuel tank, enhancing its off-road capabilities. While it requires some wiring work to run, this Jeep Willys presents an excellent project opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a capable and distinctive restoration. Priced at $8,000 and located in Hagerman, Idaho, this wagon is ready to be transformed into a head-turning classic. For more details, follow the link in the description. Number 16. Introducing the 1974 Volkswagen Beetle, a bright and charming classic that continues to capture hearts with its timeless design. This vibrant yellow two-door sedan features a manual transmission and a clean title, making it a fantastic option for vintage car enthusiasts. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, this Beetle remains in excellent running condition, offering reliability and charm in one package. While it does have a small dent in the left rear fender, the overall condition of this Beetle makes it a standout choice for those seeking a well-loved classic. Whether you're looking for a fun daily driver or a piece of automotive history to enjoy, this Beetle fits the bill. Priced at $8,500 and located in Satellite Beach, Florida, it is ready to find its next passionate owner. To discover more about this delightful car, follow the link in the description. Number 17. Next up is the 1979 Ford F-250, a vintage pickup truck that combines durability with classic styling. With only 54,586 original miles, this truck is powered by a V8 engine and features an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth operation and power. While it runs and drives, it will require some TLC to be fully roadworthy, making it an excellent project for someone who enjoys working on classic vehicles. The upholstery and door panels are in exceptional condition, while the dashboard shows some cracks and the weather stripping needs replacement. This well-preserved F-250, complete with a clean title and detailed inspection report, is a solid foundation for restoration. Priced at $9,000 and located in Estacada, Oregon, this truck offers a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to bring a classic Ford back to life. For additional details, be sure to check the link in the description.